If you struggle to create consistent content for your sites and social media profiles, or you just don't have a great content marketing strategy, then make sure you pay very close attention to this short video, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how you can shortcut all your content marketing tasks to 30 minutes a day, regardless of which online business you're in. And it doesn't matter if you're a content publisher, person expanding your brand or those of other companies, agency for profit or nonprofit, startup seeking success, coach, product creators, or even an affiliate. The solution I'm about to show you will help you create engaging content that turns visitors into readers and readers into buyers. I'll tell you what it is in a moment. But first, unless you've been hiding under a rock the last 10 years, I'm sure you've heard the saying that content is king, right? And that's 100% true. There's nothing more important than content when it comes to succeeding online. Well, if that's the case, why aren't you creating more content for your sites and social media profiles? If you're like most people, you probably have to spend hours upon hours researching topics, spend even more time trying to write an article without any help. Try to find images that you can use in your posts and on your social media profiles. Edit images to make your posts engaging. Keep track of all your sources for your niche. Use various tools just to create a coherent blog post or social post. Share your content on each social site separately. Try to schedule that content and automate the syndication, and a ton of other mind-numbing tasks. With these problems and others I didn't mention, is it any wonder that more people don't create more content for their business? It's because creating amazing content can be a royal pain in the butt. But what if you could have a content marketing strategy that was as easy as making a sandwich? And what if you could have all the tools you need under one roof without bleeding your wallet dry? And finally, what if everything worked together in one seamless dashboard instead of having to jump back and forth between 50 to 100 different tabs on your computer? Well, I'm pleased to announce that you can do all of that and more with the brand new software called ContentBurger. With ContentBurger, anyone can create amazing content for their sites and social media profiles in a flash, regardless of skill level. And the best part is that not only does ContentBurger help you create amazing content, it also helps you automate your content marketing with ease. You can see a full demo below this video along with details, but let me give you a brief overview of what ContentBurger includes when you get started today. First up, you'll be able to craft a great post using any of the 3 different composers inside of ContentBurger. There's the blog post composer, the social media composer, and the image designer as well. All of these include rich format options to make your post look engaging and attractive to readers. Next, you can post your favorite WordPress sites or your Medium profile. No need to jump back and forth. Just connect your accounts inside of ContentBurger and you're good to go. Now, if you know anything about creating great content, then you absolutely know that curation is a part of that. That's why we've included tools like the Content Discovery option, which gives you access to articles, quotes, GIFs, videos, as well as trending content too. You can drag and drop any element into your current posts, and ContentBurger will automatically add citations from existing sources for you. From there, you can automate your content marketing like an absolute boss. ContentBurger also includes the ability to add multiple social media accounts that you can syndicate to easily. And if you really want to get ahead of the game, why not use the ContentBurger Planner to schedule your content across multiple channels just about any way you want. The scheduling options include full flexibility, so you can not only build content flows how you want, but also repurpose content on different channels to make your posts seem unique. Also, you can take things up a notch with the automation recipes included inside of the ContentBurger platform. Mix and match a number of recipes so that your content goes exactly where you want when you want. Plus, you'll have the ability to keep all of your content marketing and content creation organized by using the efficient ContentBurger Workspace option. And that's only a handful of items. I didn't even mention features such as drag and drop embedding from 9+ external sources, the ability to eliminate writer's block with the Content Assistant, drip feed publishing that lets you set and forget, powerful filters for effortless organization, the hashtag saver that lets you tap into more traffic, link shortening whenever you need it, the ability to use retargeting, call to action widgets for your content, content marketing campaigns to help you reach your content marketing goals, keyword and domain filters, true AI-generated post captions, full content previews without the annoying ads, adding custom sources and RSS feeds for market insights, multiple regions and languages support, intelligent UTM assignments, and a whole lot more, all of which comes packaged inside an intuitive yet easy-to-use dashboard complete with a quick start wizard. As I said earlier, you can see the full details and a complete demo of ContentBurger on this page below. But if you're ready to finally cut your content marketing tasks to shreds while creating more content than the competition in less time, then make sure you sign up for ContentBurger today. Because right now, ContentBurger is available for an extreme discount. But once the time runs out on this page, we'll either raise the price or move to a monthly subscription for ContentBurger, or both. So, if you're tired of not having enough time to create great content that gets leads and sales, or having to piece together tools to help you build your social media following, then do yourself a favor and get access to ContentBurger today. There are so many ways you can use ContentBurger to boost your SEO, profits, and create a true sustainable six-figure income, all from the comfort of your laptop. So, here's what you need to do next. Scroll down and review all the details on this page. And once you're done, click the button to sign up for ContentBurger today. You'll be glad you did.